Welcome to another Vim video. Today I want to show you how we can start editing lines. So let's begin by deleting a line. To delete a line, what you need to do is to type D twice or DD. Alright, and as you can see, the line disappears. I'm gonna undo this. Alright. Another way to delete a line is by pressing Shift and D, and the result is the same. Alright. Now we can also do what is called changing a line. For example, let's say that I want to change this line. To do that, we can press CC, and as you can see, the line disappears, but Vim activates insert mode. Okay, so keep that in mind, because this is the main difference between deleting and changing. Alright, I'm going to press K to go to normal mode and then to undo the change. Alright, we can also use increments as I said in previous videos. For example, I can type 5DD and I delete 5 lines. Okay, I'm going to do this. I can also type D5D and the result is almost the same. Oh well, it's the same. You can also mix them, alright, as we did before in the previous videos. For example, let's say 2D, 3D. And as you can see, the result this time is different, but the concept explained in previous video is the same. Alright, so remember the difference between putting the number first or second or in the middle of the command, and what happens when you combine them. Okay, alright, now I'm gonna redo this again because I want to show you something. Now that I want to show you is how to undo and redo. To undo an action, what you need to do is to type U or press U. Alright. Now, to redo, you press Ctrl and then R, and you go back to the previous action. Okay? Great. Now, saving changes. There are many ways to save changes or saving all the editing we did in the file. So the most basic one is to go to command mode and then execute the command write. Okay, this is the most basic way to save your changes. Now, for short, we normally use W, okay, but it's the same command. Now, sometimes you want to save the changes and also close Vim. In those cases, we combine the W command with the Q command, okay, which is quit, and that will save your changes and also close Vim. Now, the equivalent of this command is X, so I'm going to show you that. I'm going to delete this line and then go to command mode and press X. Now I'm gonna cut it, and I'm gonna use the cat command to see if it worked, and here it is. The comment disappeared. Alright. Now, set number again. Alright. That's one way to save changes. Now I'm gonna create another line here and create some text here because I want to show you another way. Testing comment. Alright. Another way to save your changes and also close Vim is by pressing uppercase Z twice. Or in other words, Shift ZZ. Alright? And the action is the same. let's cut the file again to see the changes, and here it is. Okay, by pressing ZZ, uppercase ZZ. Alright, those are the ways we use to change, to save changes and close Vim. Now sometimes you want to only close the file, to close Vim entirely without saving the changes. So I'm gonna delete this line. Alright, what I can do is to go to command mode and then press Q, and look at that. Vim is telling me that there are changes that has not been saved yet. Now in those cases Vim cannot be closed by normal means. So you have two options. You can either save your changes and then close the file, or you can force Vim to close the file. Because you already know how to save and close, I'm going to show you how you can forcibly close Vim, okay, or close Vim by force. To do that, you go to command mode, and then press press Q, and then exclamation mark. After that, press enter, and if you use cat again to the file, you can see that the comment is still there because it didn't save the changes. Alright, well, that's all what I wanted to show you in this video. So in the next video I'm going to show you some basic technique to copy and paste. Okay, so I will see you there.